Today, we shall explain several possible reasons why the iCloud link isn't working and how to troubleshoot the issue with 10 methods. Why do iCloud links take so long or don't work? The iCloud link has expired, and you must create a new one. There is a problem with your network connection, etc. Solution 1. Check the internet connection. Your network connection may be too slow or unreliable to access iCloud photo sharing links. Since you use a web-based service, you will need a good internet connection to use its features and services. Solution 2. Check if iCloud photo link is expired. When an iCloud photo link is expired or deleted by the sender, you will see a message that says, "Failed to retrieve." You can check your iCloud account and ensure the photos you want to share are there. Solution 3. Update iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is an update available, you will see it. Tap Download and Install to update iOS. Solution 4. Create an iCloud link. When the iCloud link waiting for photos to upload for a long time, try to recreate an iCloud link again. Solution 5. Reset network settings. First, open the Settings app from your home screen. Then, tap on General and go to the Transfer or Reset iPhone tab. Next, choose Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Solution 6. Disable low power mode. Low power mode on iPhones can save battery life by up to 3 hours. Yet, this has some drawbacks. When the mode is on, your device may encounter the iCloud link stuck uploading or iCloud photos not syncing. Solution 7. Ensure iCloud Photos library and shared albums are enabled. Is this your first time using iCloud photo sharing? At this point, follow the drill below to repair the iCloud photo link not uploading by enabling both iCloud Photos library and shared album. Solution 8. Check Apple system status. If the photos sent via iCloud link error persists, there might be something wrong with the Apple system status. Solution 9. Sign out and sign into your iCloud account. Any other tips on how to get iCloud link photos to load? Sure, you can try refreshing your Apple account. Solution 10. Contact Apple. Apple support could be your last resort when you sent via iCloud uploading, but to no avail. Go to the support center and choose your device. You can contact an Apple associate by phone, email, or chat, or visit an Apple store if you can and ask for help. Extra. How to view and download data from iCloud backup smoothly. Mobican Doctor for iOS. This smart program can be used to view, download, and recover various data types from iCloud. Download and install the iCloud data extractor. After you download it, choose Recover from iCloud and enter your Apple ID and password. After login, select the data types you want to restore and click Next to download your files in the iCloud backup. Click your desired items on the left sidebar. Finally, choose whatever you want and save the stuff to your computer by clicking Recover to Computer.